Claiming that the activists of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) have been indicted in at least 13 terror cases across India, former Maharashtra Inspector General of Police S.M. Mushrif described the BJP's ideological mentor as India's #1 terrorist organization. RSS activists have been charge-sheeted in at least 13 cases of terror acts in which RDX has been used. If organizations like Bajrang Dal are taken into the account, then the number of such cases goes up to 17, Mushrif said. The RSS is India's #1 terrorist organization. There is no doubt on this, said Mushrif.
Moving on now, 2 days after a video showing Bajrang Dal volunteers receiving self-defense training and weapons in Ayodhya went viral on social media, a massive political fight has now erupted. While a united opposition has accused the centre and the BJP of polarizing the state, BJP has so far distanced themselves from the controversial training camp. Uttar Pradesh Governor, meanwhile, Ram Naik has come out in the defence of Bajrang Dal, saying there is no harm in self-defence. The Bajrang Dal had organised a training camp in Ayodhya in which their workers were trained to use arms and other weapons as well. The Saffron Army can be seen, as you can see for yourselves, training with rifles, swords and lathis. And this video has sparked a massive row. The video also shows a group playing the role of terrorists wearing skull caps, the symbol that is clearly associated with the Muslim community in our country. And after the video surfaced, FIR
Home Secretary has told Headlines today that evidence against 10 terror suspects with links to RSS have come forth. The Home Secretary gave this information to RSS a short while back. Well, that is what the RSS and the BJP was asking, to come out with proof. And now the Home Secretary has said that evidence against terror suspects with links to RSS is present with the Home Ministry. He's also said, and I quote, "Yes, there is evidence. During investigations, we have found names of 10 who were associated with the RSS at some point or the other." Sunil Joshi, Sandeep Dange, Kamal Chauhan, Devendra Gupta. While one of the 10, we have evidence
कि संघ के जो कैंप्स है या संघ से जुड़े लोग जो हैं वो
देखिए
उनके खिलाफ
जो